Do you ever feel bad about yourself when you see someone with a better body, a better career, or what looks like a better life? If yes, then listen closely. Because your mind is going into comparison mode, and if you don't get serious about it, these feelings can slowly take over. You may start losing confidence, losing productivity, and forgetting what makes you unique. You need to fix this as soon as possible. You need to understand why you get stuck in comparison cycle and how to break out of it. In this video, I'm gonna discuss this why and how. So watch the video till the end. The truth is, you are unique. Nobody on this planet has your exact fingerprint, your story, or your potential. But you still end up feeling dissatisfied with your life because you have set strict standards for your beauty, your success, and your worth. And these standards come from comparing yourself to other people. And here's the thing, the people you compare yourself to are not fully happy or satisfied with their own lives because most of us ignore the blessings we already have and focus only on what others have. But once you break the comparison cycle, you won't believe how light you will feel, how much happier and more satisfied you will become. You will look back and think, why didn't I know this earlier? You start enjoying your own life in a more real and meaningful way. So let's talk about the three hidden insecurities tapping you on the shoulder. The first one is you are questioning your core worth. This is the big one. When your self-esteem is low, someone else's win doesn't feel like their win. It feels like your failure. Your brain instantly uses their success as proof of your own lack. So what it feels like, that pit in your stomach, that voice that whispers, see, they can do it, why can't you? It's not really about their new car or promotion. It's about you using their life as a measuring stick for your entire value as a person. The second insecurity is you are feeling insecure on a specific battlefield. We don't compare ourselves on everything. We do it on the specific playing fields where we feel we are losing. For most of us, the big ones are looks, money, career, and relationship. So what it feels like, you are totally secure in your career, but you see a friend's new luxury car and feel broke. Or you are happy single, but you see a couple's vacation photo and feel lonely. Your insecurity laser focuses on that one area and it screams the loudest. The third insecurity is you are checking someone else's life schedule. We all have a subconscious timeline for our lives. Graduate by 22, married by 28, house by 30. When you see someone hitting those milestones and you are not, it triggers a primal panic like you are failing the game of life itself. So what it feels like, that anxious, rushed feeling that I am running out of time panic. You forget that life is not a race with one finish line. You are looking at their schedule instead of writing your own. Now that we have named these feelings, the self-doubt, the specific insecurity, the schedule pain, we can see they are all based on one lie, that someone else's life is the standard for your own. So let's cut that off at the source. Here's your 3-step action plan. Strategy 1 is your emergency brake. It's called pause and redirect. The moment you feel that icky comparison feeling, maybe you are scrolling and see a vacation pic, or you hear about a friend's promotion, I want you to physically pause. Put your phone down or just close your eyes for a second. Then ask yourself this one question. What is one thing I can do right now to move my life forward? Not their life, your life. See someone with a perfect body. Your question is, can I do 10 push-ups right now? Can I go for a 15-minute walk today? See someone with a successful business. Your question is, can I spend the next 30 minutes working on my own project? Can I watch one tutorial to improve my skills? This question instantly pulls you out of their world and plants you firmly back in your own. It transforms jealousy into immediate productive action. Strategy 2 is about cleaning your mental diet. We call this the social media audit, and you are going to do this the second this video ends. Open your Instagram, TikTok or Facebook. Start scrolling through your feed. For every account you see, I want you to ask a simple yes or no question. Does this account make me feel inspired and good about myself, or does it make me feel insecure and less than? If it's the second one, even if it's a friend, even if it's a celebrity you should follow, you are going to mute or unfollow them. You don't have to announce it. This is not personal. This is you being the CEO of your own mind and protecting your peace. Your social media feed should be a tool for connection and inspiration, not a tool for self-torture. Strategy 3 is how you rewire your brain for confidence. It's called the 3-1-1 method and it takes 2 minutes before bed. Every night, grab your phone's note app or a journal and write down these 3 things. One win, one thing you accomplished today, no matter how small. For example, I made my bed, I finished a report, I drank enough water. One thing you are grateful for. For example, my warm bed, a funny text from my friend, the taste of my coffee. One kind thing you did. I held the door for someone, I listened to my coworker vent, I complimented my partner. Why the kind thing? Because it reminds you that your value is not just in what you achieve, but in who you are, a good person. This 3-1-1 method builds evidence for your brain, proving every single day that you are capable, blessed, and kind. This is a foundation comparison can't shake. Now we have got the plan. You have your emergency brake, the pause and redirect question. You have your digital cleanup, the social media audit, and you have your brain rewiring routine, the 3-1-1 method. Now let's be real. This is not a magic pill. That comparison voice might pop up tomorrow, but now you have the tools to answer back. Here's the truth you have to tattoo on your heart. You are not meant to live someone else's life. You are not supposed to follow anyone else's timeline. Your path is yours. Your peace is yours. Your story is the only one of its kind. Comparison steals your power, but awareness, action, that brings it back. And that's your call to action. I'm not just asking you to like this video. I'm challenging you to do something that will actually change your week. Here's your mission. Should you choose to accept it? First, before you even close this video, take out your phone, open your notes app. I want you to write this down. My 3-1-1 starts tonight. Just writing it down makes it real. Second, your first task for the social media audit is to find one account you follow out of obligation or comparison that makes you feel like crap and mute it. Right now, do it. It takes 10 seconds. I will wait. Done? Feels good, right? That's you taking back control. Now I need you to lock this in. If this video gave you even one useful tool, pay me back with a like and share it with one friend who needs to hear this. Text it to them right now and say, this helped me, thought you had liked it too. Let's build a community that lifts each other up, not compares ourselves to each other. Subscribe if you have not, because we are building this better mindset together every single week. Remember, your journey doesn't look like anyone else, and that's your power. Now go out there and own it. I will see you in the next one. Peace.